Hi guys! Today we restore photos from iCloud to iPhone. First of all, unlock your iPhone so you can access all the settings. Once it's unlocked, stay on the home screen because we'll start from there. This is the simple first step to begin restoring your photos. Now open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is where all your iCloud and device settings are managed. So just tap on it and get ready to scroll down a little. After opening Settings, tap on your name at the top. This takes you to your Apple ID menu, where iCloud settings are located. Make sure you select the right account if you have multiple Apple IDs. Now scroll down a little and you'll see the iCloud option. Tap on it to access iCloud settings where all your synced data is stored. This is where we can enable or restore photos. Inside iCloud, scroll to the list of apps using iCloud storage and tap on Photos. This section manages your iCloud photo library and syncing options. It's important to be here to restore your pictures. Now enable, download, and keep originals or make sure iCloud Photos is turned on. This will start syncing your iCloud photos back to your iPhone automatically. If your iCloud storage is more than 5 gigabytes, you may need to upgrade to iCloud to restore everything. And that's it. Your photos will start restoring from iCloud to your iPhone, depending on your storage and internet speed. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help with more iPhone tips.